Hi kids, welcome to Moonbee Planet. Today we'll learn about some of these colorful vehicles and the sounds they make. So let's get started. Cars. All cars stop when a traffic light is red. When the light turns green, the cars can go again. People use cars to get them where they need to go. Truck. Trucks haul a lot of heavy loads. Many trucks travel long distances to deliver goods. Next we have a dump truck. A dump truck carries dirt and rocks away from a construction site in its dump bed. To empty out its loads, a dump truck lifts and tilts the dump bed. Next we have a fire truck. A fire truck races to get to a fire. Hoses, ladders, and everything the firefighters will need are on the truck. A helicopter. A helicopter can take off from and land in lots of different places. A helicopter can fly straight ahead, swoop up or down, and even fly sideways or backwards. A police car. A police car sounds its siren on its way to an emergency. The siren tells other cars to get out of the way. Next we have tractors. These tractors get to work on the farm. Tractors help farmers with their crops and can also pull heavy things. A front loader. A front loader moves rocks and soil out of the way. A front loader has a big bucket attached to its front that can scoop up or push things such as rocks and dirt. Next we have a train. A train speeds along the train tracks. Traveling by train is a fast way to get where you need to go. Monster truck. Look at the huge wheels on that monster truck. Monster truck race and jump and compete in shows. Thank you for listening. Bye bye kids.